from Menken Generators. We just completed an install in Delaware. This is incredible. It turned out really well. We had a challenge here running the wire from the inside to the panel. I'll show you that in a minute. We're going to come back and we're going to repair the drywall, but we had to run the cable up and in to the panel. But it turned out really well. In a minute I'll show you the generator on the other side, but I think it turned out really well. And we also upgraded the bonding and the grounding. We put in 2 grounding rods. We think it's important. There's, you can see one in the ground over here, okay, and then we also put one over here. You can see it in the ground there. It's very important to do this. So these are, then you can see the surges on the side. We think it's very important to put surge protection in. Anyway, I'm going to pause it now. I walked over to the other side. I paused it to save you time. But I just wanted to show you we had to have the larger gas meters put in. Instead of putting in one large when the gas company put in 2 small ones. But that's their choice of whatever they think is best. But now we have maximum gas flow going into the generator. You can also see the filter on the gas line. And just a nice clean job. And like I said before, we build them up above the ground. This keeps the dirt and debris out of the generator. This is the only way we'll do this. It's the best way to do it. Anyway, thanks for listening. Bye.